In today's video, I'll teach you how to find Facebook stars. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see various settings and privacy options. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for orders and payments. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the orders and payments interface. Under the section for balances, you'll be able to find this option for Facebook stars. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your stars over here. So like this, you'll be able to check the Facebook stars. So that is how you find Facebook stars. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.